What is up, guys? Welcome to the video. So I don't have a cleaning video planned for y'all this week. I'm out of town. I didn't bring my cleaning supplies. So I have no script written, so I don't have a cleaning video for y'all this week. But I do want to produce some content though for the channel and for people who actually watch these videos and want to see content. So that's what this video is going to be. This video is going to be a little bit more personalized. If you want to call it a personal vlog, call it a personal vlog. One thing about me is I try to stay in shape somewhat. I'm not a health nut by any means. I still like my pizza and my burgers and donuts and chocolate chip cookies, but I try to do some cardio and lift a little bit of weights, you know. I'm not a health nut. I'm not a gym rat or anything. So that's what I did. I recorded a video clip today of me doing my cardio. I do it about once a week, maybe twice a week sometimes. But I find that when it comes to cardio, you have to do something you enjoy or else you won't stick with it. You know, if you hate running and you are running, you're probably not going to be running that long. I don't swim, I don't play basketball, I don't do like Pilates, and I hate going on a treadmill, I hate getting on an elliptical. So I spin lights as my cardio, and I get quite a sweat. I just finished, and so I'm kind of wiping the sweat away from my my face with this napkin. But I did record a small little video clip of that for y'all just to produce content this week for y'all. So I hope y'all enjoy it. See you in the next video.